Hey guys, so I'm on the freeway. I think the clutch just went out. This is Tuesday morning. It's very early. It's around like 6:30ish, 6:45ish right now. And so the update is, so I'm actually getting the 1964 Mercedes 220 SE. I'm getting it towed to the mechanic. So the clutch is stuck all the way to the ground and it won't come back up. I did try bringing it with my foot, but I was not able to switch gears and it's stuck to the ground again. So basically I'm getting the car towed this morning to the mechanic and we're gonna see what's going on with the car and, you know, get it fixed. So the AAA guy, he was very kind, very nice, and you know, he just loaded the car. So I'm actually driving right behind him, so we're gonna take the car to the shop right now. So yep, and there you go. There you see the Mercedes being hauled away. There's our 1964 Mercedes getting towed away. Oh, my poor baby. We're headed to the mechanic shop right now. So yeah. Let's see what turns out, but I'm pretty sure it might be the clutch that went out. Yeah, let's see what's going on with this car. We got to the mechanic shop and we just parked the car right now. And I actually got to talk to the owner of the shop, so which is the same person that sold me the car. So they said it could be the master cylinder, but they're gonna go ahead and take a look and see what's going on. Hey guys, so the car is ready. I'm here to pick it up. So that's our beautiful baby right here. So let's go. Yeah, I'll go inside. So I'm just picking up the car right now, so it is officially ready. So let's go ahead and drive this baby home. Woo, feels good. I really honestly missed this car. So I'm looking at the clutch now. So before the clutch was all the way to the ground, so the clutch is no longer all the way to the ground, so it's normal now. So let's go ahead and drive the car home and see how it feels. The car is driving very smoothly using the clutch. It's back to normal. Actually even feeling much better than since I had bought the car. So yeah, I'm very happy. And so the bill turned out to be $675.06. So not too bad. Yeah, I was expecting a bit higher, but yeah, so that was not too bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. That definitely helps the channel. God bless. Take care. Bye-bye.